of Earth's lush and mysterious forests. A hidden kingdom thrives beneath the towering canopies, a realm of wonders and intrigue. Journey with us in the enchanting world of mushrooms, a diverse and ancient species that has quietly shaped ecosystems for eons. Unveil the untold stories, mesmerizing forms, and fascinating roles these fungi play in the intricate dance of nature. Let's take a closer look at some of the most unique fungi in the world. These mushrooms fan out around tree trunks and look similar to the tails of turkeys. Turkey tail mushroom, rich in immune, boasting compounds like beta-glucans. Shows promise in supporting health, particularly in cancer treatment. This mushroom looks like a human ear and is used in traditional Chinese medicine to help improve breathing and sore throats while reducing colds and fevers. These mushrooms has long, flowing white tendrils that resemble a lion's mane. It's used in traditional Chinese medicine to help with digestion and memory. This mushroom has a delicate, lacy appearance and is found in the forests of Europe. The veiled lady mushroom is a good source of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It can contribute to overall nutritional balance, support immune function, and provide antioxidants. The forest is a beautiful place, but it can also be deadly. There are many poisonous mushrooms in the world, and some of them are deadly. Poison fire coral mushroom is a highly toxic fungus It found in forests of Japan and Korea. It releases 8 different toxins that can be absorbed through the skin. It causes a horrifying array of symptoms if eaten, including vomiting, diarrhea, fever, and numbness. When ingested, it can lead to shrinkage of the brain and failure of the body's internal organs. The fruit bodies of the fungi have been responsible for several fatalities in Japan. The death cap mushroom contains heat-stable amatoxins that withstand cooking temperatures and quickly damage cells throughout the body. The death cap mushroom is found in forests in Europe, North Africa, and the Pacific Northwest of North America. The devil's fingers isn't your average fungus. It is lurking in hidden corners of damp woodlands, its crimson tentacles. The eruption of it from a slim egg might entice curiosity, but beneath its macabre beauty lies a potent threat. 8 sinister toxins bypass the digestive system, slinking directly through your skin to wreak havoc within. But the devil's fingers don't target humans. Their putrid stench, akin to rotting flesh, is their gruesome siren song, luring carrion flies. While the flies feast on the slimy larvae, unsuspecting spores hitch a ride, ensuring the devil's legacy spreads. The webcap mushroom is found in forests in Europe and North America. Webcap mushroom might lure you in with its reddish-brown cap, but don't be fooled. This seemingly harmless resident of forests packs a hidden punch, a cocktail of nasty toxins called aralanines. And here is the chilling part. These insidious poisons don't announce their arrival with immediate pain. Instead, they play a long game, infiltrating your kidneys over days, silently causing damage that can lead to serious renal failure. Symptoms might only appear after a week or 2, mimicking the flu, making diagnosis tricky. Bleeding mushroom, also known as the bleeding tooth fungus, the devil's tooth. It has a funnel-shaped cap with a white H and red droplets that contain a blood-thinning substance. The devil's tooth fungus is not considered poisonous. Its extremely bitter taste makes it unpalatable and not recommended for consumption. It is found in North America, Europe, Iran, and Korea. In the dark forests of the world, there is a hidden wonder that few people have ever seen. Imagine a forest at night where the trees and plants are illuminated by a mysterious glow. This is not a fairy tale, but a natural phenomenon caused by glowing mushrooms. Glowing mushrooms, also known as ghost fungi or foxfire, are bioluminescent fungi that produce their own light through a chemical reaction. They're rare and fascinating organisms that have captivated the imagination of scientists, artists, and mushroom hunters for centuries. But what are they? How do they glow? And why do they exist? Glowing mushrooms can be found in several countries, such as Australia, Brazil, Japan, and New Zealand. They belong to different genera and species, but they all share the ability to emit light in the dark. One of the most common and widespread species is Panellus stepticus, which grows on decaying wood and forms clusters of tiny orange caps. Another species is Panellus bacillus, which has smaller and paler caps and can be found in tropical and subtropical regions. A third species is Amphilodes nidiformis, which has large and wide caps and is native to Australia and parts of Asia. These are just some of the examples of the diversity and beauty of glowing mushrooms. But how do these mushrooms glow? The answer lies in a chemical reaction that takes place inside their cells. The mushrooms produce a substance called luciferin, which reacts with oxygen, an enzyme called luciferase. This reaction releases energy in the form of light, which is visible to the human eye. The light is usually green or blue, but sometimes it can be yellow or orange, depending on the species and the environment. The world beneath our feet is teeming with life, and some of it glows in the dark. Deep in the soil, there exists a network of fungi that is both fascinating and mysterious. This is the glowing underground network of fungi, a symbiotic relationship between some fungi and plant roots. These fungi exchange nutrients and water between plants using thread-like networks called mycelium. Some of these networks can glow under ultraviolet light, creating a beautiful spectacle in the soil. Scientists are currently mapping the world's vast networks of underground fungi for the first time, using artificial intelligence and satellite imagery. These fungi are not only beautiful, but they also play an important role in the ecosystem. They help break down organic matter and recycle nutrients, making them an essential part of the food chain. Deep in the heart of the earth, there exists a world of wonder and mystery. A world where darkness is illuminated by the soft glow of bioluminescent fungi. Many caves around the world are home to bioluminescent fungi. The Waitomo caves in New Zealand are famous for their glowworms, which are actually colonies of bioluminescent fungus gnats and their larvae. The glowworms are found in caves and on sheltered banks in native bush where humidity is high. The caves provide them with protection from predators and harsh weather. The 30-million-year-old formations form a majestic backdrop to the bioluminescence of the glowworms. The glowworms produce light by using a chemical reaction called luciferin and luciferase reaction. This reaction converts oxygen and luciferin into light and carbon dioxide. The light is emitted from a small organ called an ocellus at the tip of each tail segment. The ocellus contains thousands of microtubules that reflect and refract light in different directions. The glowworms use their light for communication and attraction. They can synchronize their flashes with other glowworms within or outside their colony, creating patterns that can be seen from far away. They can also use their light to signal danger or distress to potential mates or predators. Glowing mushrooms are one of the most amazing and mysterious wonders of nature, a magic that exists in the dark. They are living proof that there is still so much to learn and explore about the world around us. They are also a sign of the greatness of God, who created everything with wisdom and power. Whatever we try, with all the technology we have, is nothing compared to his abilities.